Hello viewers, welcome to the last section of this course, Making Goods with Manufacturing Resource Planning. Topics we will cover in this section include creating manufacturing orders, installing manufacturing resource planning, building your bill of materials, producing the product, creating a work center, creating routing orders. In this section, we will cover how you can use Odoo to manage the process of manufacturing products. Once you have received the required raw products in your inventory, you can begin manufacturing the end product. Part of the functionality of an ERP system is to assist you in scheduling these orders based on available resources. One of the resources is, of course, the raw product. Other resources could include available labor or the availability of a particular machine. Essentially, the goal is to schedule the manufacturing order at a time that all resources are available and produce the product for an on-time delivery. Now let's move to the first video of this section, creating manufacturing orders. In this video, we will learn about producing the product, delivering the order, producing a custom printed t-shirt. Manufacturing orders define the product you wish to build, the resources required, and when you wish to produce the product. They also designate when you wish to produce the product. In addition, they can contain information about work orders and routings that are related to that manufacturing order. Producing the product. When it is time to actually produce the product, you then inform Odoo of each of the products produced and your manufacturing order changes to a status of complete. In a typical workflow, your raw materials are moved out of the inventory and your finished product is added into your inventory. Delivering the order. After a product has been produced and has been put into the inventory, it can be packaged and delivered to the customer. Depending on the specific manufacturing environment, a product may not even sit in a physical inventory location at all, and instead may be shipped almost immediately to the customer. Meanwhile, in another industry, you may have a product that is produced and then sits in a warehouse for months before delivery. Of course, it is always possible that something gets produced and gets left in dead stock. In this case, you would never have a delivery order and instead use a process to determine how to manage that dead inventory. Defining the workflow for your business. Much like configuring the CRM application, oftentimes the most complex part of setting up a purchasing and manufacturing system is not the ERP software itself. Instead, the real challenge is to understand the business requirements and how the current processes can best be implemented. If you have never set up a purchasing and manufacturing system before, it is highly recommended that you supplement your knowledge with additional source material on the subject. A real-world example of producing a custom printed t-shirt. In Odoo, you manufacture products by creating manufacturing orders. For example, we will be printing t-shirts that have a custom designed logo. The basic manufacturing process itself involves using a screen to apply ink to each of the t-shirts. For now, we don't need to know all the detail of this process to begin using Odoo to help schedule and track the manufacturing of the product. The basic steps in the process are simple. 1. Define a bill of materials that determine what items are needed to produce the final product. 2. Use a manufacturing order to print a design on the blank t-shirts. 3. Deliver the printed t-shirts to a customer. Nice! We have successfully created manufacturing orders.